Cutting a watermelon doesn't have to be hard or tricky. It can be just as easy as eating your watermelon. I'm going to show you the easiest way and the only way you'll need to cut your watermelon from now on. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you are officially cooking with Karli. Today I'm going to teach you all about my good friend, the watermelon, and I have like a ginormous one here. Hopefully it's good on the inside. Comment down below and let me know how you pick a good watermelon, because for some reason it's very hit and miss with me if I get a good watermelon or not. I mean, it seems really heavy. It's got the yellow spot down here. I mean, I feel like I'm doing it right. I didn't want to look crazy like doing that at the grocery store, so I didn't. I have a few tips for you with cutting your watermelon. First, I always cut it on a cookie sheet like this. That way the juices are caught. It's not all over your counter and it doesn't go down onto the ground, yada yada. You get it. Another thing is, make sure you wash your watermelon because you're cutting into the watermelon and you want the outside of your watermelon nice and clean before you cut it. Next tip is a sharp knife. We're going to cut our watermelon into 4 pieces, cutting straight in half in this direction and then in half again. Are we ready for this? You ready? I really don't want to get this on my shirt. Okay, we'll cut this bad boy in half. Got to do the watermelon spin. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, it looks like a good one, guys. I think I maybe did good. All right, cut this half in half. One more time. Same direction. Perfect. You're definitely going to need a very large bowl to gather up all of your watermelon in. I'm gonna grab that right now. We only need a few cuts to cut our watermelon into perfect cubes. First, 2 cuts on each side, just like this. We're going to angle it in our knife. So 1 cut there, and 1 cut there. Do the same on the other side. Now that we have our horizontal cuts coming from the top and cutting down, we're going to cut into chunks here. Something to keep in mind is however big your chunk is, that's how big your watermelon piece will be. So if you're serving little kids, feel free to make these pieces even smaller. Last step is just to scoop it all out into our bowl. I missed. Just slides right out of the rind. Just like this. Oh my goodness. Watermelon's flying everywhere. I told you it'd be an easy way to cut it. No promises on getting it into the bowl. I just spin it back and forth, angling my knife so I can get all of that. Wow, my voice just cracked. I like to go from side to side, angling my knife so we can get all of that nice red fruit. I was gonna say flesh, but that sounds really weird. A quarter of our watermelon is cut. Please like this video. If you are learning a new trick today with cutting your watermelon, make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell, and definitely check out all of my other cooking videos, and comment below and tell me how to pick a good watermelon. Really, I'm in need of help. you go. That is definitely the easiest way to cut a watermelon. Perfect for barbecues, summer days, you know, all of the things that you use watermelon for. All right, and the test. I feel like half of it is good, the other half is mushy. It's a decent watermelon. I give it like a 6 out of 10.